Hello and welcome to another exclusive and official Harryhausen unboxing. This time it's the RHEDOSAURUS from the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms.
That buried somewhere under the polar ice cap, in a state of suspended animation, are the awesome creatures, the leviathans that roamed the earth at the dawn of time. And under certain conditions, a nuclear explosion could free one from his icy tomb. Then, guided by instinct, the beast would come back to the caverns of the deepest Atlantic where it was spawned. Cities would be terrorized by the cruel intruder from the past. Populations crazed and panicked with fear by its destructive force. Granite and steel would crumble. Soldiers and their weapons would be powerless before the onslaught of the beast. The beast. The beast. The beast from 20,000 fathoms.
Now, for a full history on the creature, the animation and Ray Harryhausen's design, check out the figure of the colour and monochrome versions of the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms, the RHEDOSAURUS, in this playlist. Right, let's get unboxing. Well, the first thing to notice here is the retro style packaging, and of course this is branded with the X Plus logo from Star Race Toys, where they do these sort of retro model kits. Even the artwork here, as we look around it, Ray Harryhausen's signature, Ray Harryhausen's RHEDOSAURUS. It's a classic sort of 50s, 60s styling for these model kits. It's a 1/72 scale plastic replica, so that's about 23 centimeters in height when it's built. The RHEDOSAURUS here, which is around 9 inches, just over 9 inches. Inside, all of the marvellous pieces you'll need, individually wrapped. Some of the glassware there from the lighthouse, which is central to the model kit we're looking at today. The component elements. The fictitious RHEDOSAURUS created by Ray Harryhausen for this film, the Beasts from 20,000 Fathoms, classic 1950s creature feature. Remember to check out my RHEDOSAURUS unboxings of the statues for the monochrome and colour versions in this playlist. Pieces of RHEDOSAURUS there. And for model kits more than anything else, the very important instructions, which come in 2 parts here. And of course you can make a decision as to which colour, whether you go monochrome black and white or whether you decide to colourize your RHEDOSAURUS. So here we have the component parts again. Hours of fun and excitement to be had putting together Ray Harryhausen's RHEDOSAURUS from the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms. It is nice that these are bagged separately so that you can have a good look around and make sure you don't lose any of the important pieces. There you have it, Ray Harryhausen's RHEDOSAURUS plastic model kit. All we need now is for one of our epic on-screen comparisons. Let's go! Wow, how epic! Now remember to check out the other Harryhausen creatures in this playlist. Now if you'd like to win your very own model kit of the RHEDOSAURUS attacking the lighthouse, then simply subscribe to my channel here and comment below the video. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.